What? He's escaped? Oh, I found my hat. My father is escaped? Yeah, your father escaped, and that means I'm about to go to the prison. Prison? I thought you said my father was in jail. Okay, what happened here? Well, he escaped and we lost our officer. Look in the ground. Look in the ground. Why? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He died. Yeah, he was stabbed in the neck, but it's not the prisoner. It was someone else. Like who? Okay, we're in the alley. And also here. Here's your weapon. Ah, my old weapon.
You here to talk to me?
The boss.
It's time to go back to the hideout.
Hideout? You mean our base? Base, hideout, wherever. It's time to go.